Here's what you need to know about Sage Construction Management before making a decision, because understanding its strengths and weaknesses compared to competitors could save you time and money. First up, Sage Construction Management is a popular choice for contractors and project managers. Its standout feature is the integration of accounting and project management tools. Unlike some competitors, it gives you a clear picture of your financials and project timelines in one place, which can help streamline operations. Next thing, the software is highly customizable, but this comes with a learning curve. If you're transitioning from simpler tools or spreadsheets, expect to invest time in training your team. Competitors like Procore or Buildertrend may be easier to pick up initially, but lack some of the detailed financial features Sage offers. The third thing to know is Sage's focus on scalability. It's designed for medium to large companies, so if you're running a smaller business, it might feel like overkill. Solutions like CoConstruct might be a better fit for smaller teams due to their simplicity and cost effectiveness. Another key point, Sage has robust reporting features. You can generate detailed reports on budgets, costs, and schedules, which outpaces many competitors. However, some users find the interface outdated, making it harder to navigate compared to newer platforms. Next thing, Sage integrates well with other tools, like Microsoft 365 and Autodesk, which is a big win for teams using multiple systems. However, integrations with niche apps may require third-party tools or custom setups, unlike competitors like Procore, which offers a broader range of native integrations. One major drawback is that Sage Construction Management doesn't have a mobile-first approach. If you're frequently on job sites, this can be a limitation compared to Buildertrend or Procore, which have robust mobile apps designed for on-the-go use. The seventh thing is its pricing. Sage can be expensive, especially for smaller companies. Its tiered pricing model is competitive for larger organizations, but smaller businesses might find more value in all-in-one solutions like CoConstruct or Buildertrend. Next, customer support is a mixed bag. While Sage offers training resources and documentation, getting live support can sometimes be slow. Competitors like Procore often receive better feedback for responsive support. Another point, Sage's job costing features are top-notch. If detailed cost tracking is critical for your business, Sage outshines many competitors. However, some users report that setting up these features can be time-intensive. The 10th thing is that Sage updates its software regularly, but may not roll out updates as quickly as some newer competitors. This slower pace can leave users waiting for improvements that address specific pain points. Next, Sage Construction Management is desktop-based for the most part, though it offers cloud-connected options. Competitors like Buildertrend and Procore are fully cloud-based, which can be a deciding factor if remote access is essential for your team. Finally, Sage is a reliable and well-established tool in the construction industry, but it may not be the best fit for everyone. If you're looking for a modern, mobile-friendly, and affordable solution, you might find a better match elsewhere. Sage Construction Management is a solid option, but if you want a better alternative that's easier to use and comes with a free trial, check out our recommended solution.